Are you being held captive by low energy emotions such as fear, anxiety, and doubt? Do you make important decisions based on logic or biased feelings? Are your present beliefs influenced by events that happen in your childhood? With this course, you will understand and experience how self-knowledge is the first step in being able to handle emotions. Gain the capability to balance emotion and reason to make beneficial decisions. And free yourself from the pain of negative emotions by no longer identifying who you think you are from your ego. Your brain is not hardwired with negative emotions. Be the change you seek.